Shifting focus for now, officials probing the Air India crash in Ahmedabad have recovered the cockpit voice recorder black box. Earlier, the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau had confirmed that flight data recorder of the ill-fated plane was found. Both data and voice recorders are meant to help the investigators find the exact cause of the crash. The officials have informed about the recovery of crucial instruments to the Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Modi. Mishra had earlier chaired a high-level review meeting with senior officials from the central and state governments, Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau and Airports Authority of India. He also took stock of the ongoing relief, rescue and investigation efforts. Along with this, the officials are also undertaking the painstaking process of DNA matching in order to identify the victims and help the grieving families agonizing for their loved ones' remains. So far, the city civil hospital has confirmed the identification of 80 victims through DNA sampling, including that of former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. In fact, the authorities have handed over 33 bodies to the victims' families with the help of DNA, the process for which is taking place at the Forensic Science Laboratory in Gandhinagar. Meanwhile, a high-level government committee is set to hold its first meeting today. As per reports, a multidisciplinary panel chaired by the Home Secretary is mandated to submit its report within 3 months and will focus on formulating standard operating procedures for preventing such occurrences in the future. The formation of the committee comes even as the technical investigation is being conducted by the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau. And for more on these developments, our principal correspondent Disha Shah getting us this report. Take a look.
Well, that is right. Out of 279 people that lost their lives in Air India plane crash in the city of Ahmedabad in Gujarat, at least 92 people out of that have been identified, and their DNA samples have been matched with the family members, and more than 47 mortal remains have been handed over to the family, including the former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani. In fact, his funeral will be held today in the Rajkot city of Ahmedabad with full state honors, and the remaining samples is what we understand will be done in the next 3 days. Remember, 279 people lost their lives, so the task is very huge, and 24/7 the tests are being carried out as far as the DNA is concerned. And now the next course of action is to really know the cause. So for that, the officials from the US and also the Aircraft Accident Bureau investigators have been present at the crash site. They are inspecting the crash site today, and also a high-level probe committee has been formed. They are also likely to have its first meeting today, because remember, 2 black boxes have been recovered. So on one side, the technical team is actually monitoring and examining and accessing the contents and the details of the black boxes, and on the other side, the committee, which is likely to meet today, will discuss the future course of action as to how to go about it, how to start, what are the details that needs to be covered, because the report needs to be submitted within the next 3 months. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION.